He's in Rai Bareli. They are carrying out a Dhanyavad Yatra across Uttar Pradesh. First, China NC, is this a sign of the Congress and INDIA's revival in Uttar Pradesh? They've thrown down the gauntlet for you.
Padmaja, you've covered active politics for a long time. Tell me, one stray win, do you believe that actually determines the road ahead? Or is it perseverance, hard work and working for your core voter on ground? Now look at the track record of Mr. Rahul Gandhi. He fought Amethi elections, switched constituencies to Wayanad after losing, didn't go back to Amethi even once in 5 years. Now, what does that tell you about the mindset of the person? You choose to leave a constituency that has given you love, respect, or would you continue to work there for the people? You chose not to go there even once in the 5 years and then went to Wayanad. Agreed, you fought elections from Wayanad. From Wayanad, you run to Rai Bareli.
And chances are that he could retain Rai Bareli. Hold on a second. He could retain Rai Bareli, and they have won 7 seats this time around. 37 for the Samajwadi Party.
Good luck to him. Good luck to him. Good luck to him, Padmaja, and I would wish him and the Congress party well, but please be consistent. If you're going to be this bhagoda that goes from Amethi to Wayanad, Wayanad to Rai Bareli to deciding whether you want to be in Wayanad or not, what does that say? This 21st century is politics of performance.
But listen to what he's saying. What he's saying. So I have to say this, China NC, you mocked Rahul Gandhi. You mocked Rahul Gandhi as somebody who lost Amethi. But listen to what he's saying right now, and I'll play it out for you as well. He is saying, सिर्फ अयोध्या ही नहीं, वाराणसी से जान बचा के निकले हैं मोदी जी. अगर प्रियंका गांधी वाराणसी से चुनाव लड़ जाती तो मोदी जी 2-3 लाख वोट से हार जाते.
सिर्फ अयोध्या में नहीं, वाराणसी में जान बचा के निकले हैं प्रधानमंत्री. और मैं आपको कहता हूं और बहन से कह रहा हूं, अगर ये लड़ जाती वाराणसी में, अगर ये लड़ गई होती तो आज हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री 2-3 लाख वोटों से वाराणसी का चुनाव हार जाते.
चाइना एनसी.
I mean, this is ultimate hypocrisy. You know, look at Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Did he do any work in Amethi, leave alone what his proposal of a plan is for Banaras or for Rai Bareli? The Prime Minister, on the other hand, has worked on ground even when he won in Baroda as well as Banaras. He chose to work for both constituencies. He didn't desert. He wasn't somebody who runs away from the actual field. So please understand, if they have a revival package in mind, if that is based only on appeasing sections of society, and we know in Uttar Pradesh, whether it's the Dalits or the Muslims, how they have been their consolidated vote bank without empowering their lives. The difference is Prime Minister Modi has worked on ground and will continue to work.
Shyam Prasad Meka, this is bluster.